Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the different kind of sums of profit and loss. The first sum is if the cost price of 10 cards is equal to selling price of 8 cards, find profit or loss percent. Profit or loss percent. He said that the CP of 10 is equal to SP of 8. So we will assume let CP of 1 card is rupees 1 and CP of 10 cards is rupees 10. He has sold 8, therefore CP of 8 cards will be rupees 10, but SP of 8 cards will be equal to CP of 10, that is 10. So now we are selling and purchasing 8, so profit is SP minus CP, 10 minus 8, that is 2. Profit percentage, profit upon CP into 100, 2 by 8 into 100, that is 25% profit he is getting. Second sum is by selling 33 meter of cloth, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to selling price of 3 meters. Find loss. Let selling price of 1 meter is rupees 1 and SP of 33 meters is rupees 33. Loss of 3 meter is also equal to selling price 3. That means CP is greater than SP. 33 plus 6, 36. So loss percentage 3 by 36 into, this is 12, this is 4, 25, this is 3, 25 by 3, 8, 1 by 3% is his loss. Example 3 is A purchase article for 3680. Purchase price is 3680 and gain is 10%. Find selling price. To solve this sum, there are two methods. First method is we can find the gain separately. gain. Gain is 10% and gain is on always purchase price or CP into 100 into 3680. So gain is 368. So therefore selling price is 3680 plus 368, that will be 8404. Or we can do by the second method. In second method we can find the answer directly, like SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into CP. So 100 plus 10 by 100 into 3680. So this is 110 by 100 into 3680. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. So this is 368 into 11, which will come to 4048. So it is entirely up to you that by which method you want to do the sum. Example number 4. Example number 4 is that the purchase price is means CP is 4000, loss is 5%, find selling price. Again we can do by two methods. First method is, we know that the loss is also on cost price, so loss will be 5% of 4000, that comes to 200. So the selling price is 4000 plus 200. Selling price is 4000 minus 200, so it will be 3800. Or we can do by the second method, which will be SP is 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 into C. That is 100 minus 5 upon 100 into 4000. 95 by 100 into 4000, that will be 3800. So it is entirely up to you by which method you want to do. Example number 5. Example number 5 is selling price. Selling price is 1200 and gain is 20%. Find cost price. Again we have two methods. First method is that we can use direct method that we have used earlier. SP is equal to 100 plus. Now we have to find CP. CP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon into SP. CP is equal to 100 upon, this is 120 into 1200. This is 10, so answer is 1000. Second method is, now we have to find cost price. We can assume, let cost price be X. Profit is 20% on X, that will be 20 by 100x. Selling price will be CP plus profit. Selling price given is 1200, CP is X, this is 20 by 100x. So 1200 is equal to 100x by 20x. So it will be 1200 into 100 is equal to 120x, x is equal to 1200 into 100 by 120. This is 10. So CP is 1000. Example number 6 is also of same kind, where CP SP is 5000, loss is 4950. Loss is 10%. Find C. Again, we have two methods, direct and other. First method, which is the direct method, CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP. So CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus 10 into 4950. So CP is equal to 100 upon 90 into 4950. This is cancelled. 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are. So CP will be 55. Or we can do by second method. Second method is where we will assume CP. We will assume CP. Let cost price is X. Loss is 10%. So loss will be 10% of X, means 1 by 10X. So now SP is equal to CP plus loss, right? SP is 4950, CP is X plus 1 by 10X. 4950, this is 10X plus X by 10. 4950 is equal to 11X by 10. So will be minus this. This will be minus 9x by 10. X is equal to 4950 into 10 by 9. 9 5s are 0. X is equal to 55. So that is all for today. If you have a problem, you can call me at my number anytime to clarify your doubts. Thank you.